Magandang gabi sa ating lahat. Kanina umaga, nag-post tayo sa social media patungkol kay former Senator Kiko Pangilinan, former Senator Bam Aquino at si Commissioner Heidi Mendoza. Ngayong gabi, oras dito sa Kaharian ng Arabia, pag-usapan natin ano ba yung resibo, ano ba yung nagawa ni former Senator Kiko Pangilinan. Bago tayo pumunta sa kung ano ba yung mga nagawa ni former Senator Kiko Pangilinan, bigyan muna natin ng kahulugan ng salitang senador. Ang ibig sabihin ng senador ay halal na miyembro ng mataas na kapulungan ng lehislatura na gumagawa, nag-a-amend at nagre-review ng mga batas. Ito po ang kahulugan ng isang senador. Si former Senator Kiko Pangilinan ay miyembro ng Senado ng 6 na Congress. Simula nung 12 Congress, ito ay July 23, 2001 to June 4, 2004. Nung 13 Congress, nung July 26, 2004 to June 8, 2007. Nung 14 Congress, July 23, 2007 to June 9, 2010. Nung 15 Congress, July 26, 2010 to June 6, 2013. Nung 17th Congress, July 25, 2016 to June 4, 2019. At lastly, nung 18th Congress, nung July 22, 2019 to June 2, 2022. So meron pong 291 enacted into laws as of July 30, 2022. According po dito sa kanyang website, matagal ang proseso ng paggawa ng batas at pangmatagalan ang epekto nito. Kaya sinisiguro ni Kiko na mahalagang batas ang kanyang hinihain at tinutulak, mga batas na nakakapag-angat ng buhay. Bago po tayo pumunta sa mga batas na nagawa ni Kiko Pangilinan, alamin po muna natin kung ano ang ibig sabihin ng co-authors, principal authors, co-sponsors, at principal sponsor. Kapag sinabi naman pong co-sponsors, mga formal na nagpahayag ng suporta sa committee report sa pamamagitan ng pagbigay ng co-sponsorship speech sa plenaryo. Pag sinabi naman pong co-authors, iba pang nag-file ng panukalang batas. At ang lastly, principal author, siya po yung una nag-file ng panukalang batas. Ngayon, pumunta po tayo sa mga resibo ni Senator Kiko Pangilinan. So, una naging senador si Senator Kiko Pangilinan noong 12 Congress, July 23, 2001 to June 4, 2004. At ito ang mga batas. RA number 9312, converting the Eastern Summer State College into Eastern Summer State University. Siya po ang principal sponsor. RA number 9311, converting the latest Institute of Technology into the Eastern Visayas State University. Siya po ang principal sponsor. RA number 9310, creation of 2 additional MTC branches in Tagbilaran City. Siya po ang principal sponsor. RA number 9309, creation of 2 additional municipal trial court branches in Tagbilaran City. RA number 9307, creation of 1 additional regional trial court branch for Eastern Samar. RA number 9285, Alternative Dispute Resolution Act of 2004. RA number 9279, Grant of Special Allowances for members of the NPS and state councils in the DOJ. RA number 9274, creation of 2 additional municipal trial court branches in Rojas City. RA number 9273, Capiz State University conversion. RA number 9272, establishing the Nueva Vizcaya State University. RA number 9262, Anti-Violence Against Women and Their Children Act of 2004. RA number 9261, establishing the Southern Leyte State University. RA number 9260, Western Philippines University Conversion. RA number 9249, Bulacan Agricultural State College, renaming. RA number 9239, Optical Media Act of 2003. RA number 9227, Grant of Special Allowances for Justices, Judges, and other positions in the judiciary with the equivalent rank of Justices of the Court of Appeals and Judges of the Regional Trial Court. RA number 9225, Citizenship, Retention, and Reacquisition Act of 2003. RA number 9201, National Human Rights Consciousness Week Act of 2002. RA number 9189, Overseas Absentee Voting Act of 2003. RA number 9163, National Service Training Program, NSTP Act of 2001. RA number 9160, Anti-Money Laundering Act of 2001. 12th Congress pa lang po ito. Nasa 12th Congress pa lamang tayo pero hinihingal na ako sa daming RA na naipasa ni Kiko Pangilinan. Proceed na tayo sa 13th Congress. Ito yung July 26, 2004 to June 8, 2007. Una dyan ang RA number 9481, Strengthening the Workers' Constitutional Right to Self-Organization. Siya po ang principal author. RA number 9450, Creation of 2 additional MTCC branches in San Jose del Monte, Bulacan. Co-sponsor. RA number 9449, Creation of an additional MTC branch in Daet, Camarines Norte, co-sponsor. RA number 9448, Creation of an additional RTC branch in Zamboanga, Sibugay, co-sponsor. RA number 9424, Creation of 4 additional Metropolitan Trial Court branches in Marikina City, co-sponsor. RA number 9423, Creation of an additional RTC branch in Lanao del Sur, co-sponsor. RA number 9415, amending sections 2 and 3 of RA number 2239, Ramon Magsaysay Award Foundation, co-author. RA number 9377, creation of 4 additional RTC branches and 2 additional MTC branches in Antipolo City, co-sponsor. RA number 9376, creation of 5 additional Metropolitan Trial Court branches in Parañaque City, co-sponsor. RA number 9375, creation of 2 RTC branches and additional MTCC branch in Talisay, Cebu, co-sponsor. RA number 9374, creation of 4 additional Metropolitan Trial Court branches in Caloocan City, co-sponsor. RA number 9373, creation of 2 additional RTC branches in Tacloban, Leyte, co-sponsor. RA number 9363, granting Filipino citizenship to Charles William Musser, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 9347, rationalizing and the composition and functions of the NLRC, co-author. RA number 9346, prohibition of the imposition of death penalty in the Philippines, co-sponsor. RA number 9344, Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, principal author and co-sponsor. RA number 9340, Resetting the Barangay and Sangguniang Kabataan Elections, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 9337, Reform Value Added Tax o RIVAT Law, co-author. RA number 9333, Fixing the Date of Regular Elections in ARM, principal author and co-sponsor. Punta naman tayo sa 14th Congress. Una na dyan ng RA number 9999, Pre-Legal Assistance Act of 2010, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 9994, Expanded Senior Citizens Act of 2010, co-author. RA number 9946, Additional Judiciary Retirement Benefits Law, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 9828, creation of the Military Service Board, co-author. RA number 9593, Tourism Act of 2009, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 9506, Bacolod Rehabilitation Council Act, co-sponsor. RA number 9500, University of the Philippines Charter of 2008, principal author and co-sponsor. RA number 9497, Civil Aviation Authority Act of 2008, co-author. RA number 10084, Grant of Survivorship Benefits to the surviving legitimate spouse of a deceased retired member of the COA, CSC, COMELEC, and the Ombudsman, co-author. RA number 10071, Prosecution Service Act of 2010, co-author. RA number 1070, amending the Magna Carta for Disabled Persons, principal author. Punta naman po tayo sa 15th Congress. Ito po yung July 26, 2010 to June 6, 2013. Una na po dyan ang RA number 10631, amending the Animal Welfare Act of 1998, co-author and principal sponsor. RA number 10630, amending the Juvenile Justice and Welfare Act of 2006, co-author and co-sponsor. Punta po tayo sa 17th Congress. Ito po yung July 25, 2016 to June 4, 2019. Una na po dyan ang RA number 11321, Sagip Saka Act. Siya po ang principal author at sponsor. Nandito din po ang RA number 11314, Student Fare Discount Act. Siya po ang co-author. RA number 11232, Revised Corporation Code of the Philippines, co-author. RA number 11217, declaring January 17 of every year as James Leonard Tagle Gordon Day, co-sponsor. RA number 11215, National Integrated Cancer Control Act, co-author and co-sponsor. So punta na po tayo sa pinakalas. Ito po yung 18th Congress bago po siya tumakbo ng pagka-vice presidente ni Vice President Leni Robredo. Nung 18th Congress, ito po, RA number 11659, amending the Public Service Act, co-author. RA number 11648, raising the age of sexual consent Act, co-author. RA number 11647, amending the Foreign Investment Act, principal author. RA number 11642, Domestic Administrative Adoption and Alternative Child Care Act, co-author. RA number 11641, Department of Migrant Workers Act, co-author. RA number 11635, amending Section 27B of the National Internal Revenue Code, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 11608, renaming Roosevelt Avenue as Fernando Po Jr. Avenue, co-sponsor. RA number 11598, Cash Assistance for Filipino Farmers Act, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 11596, prohibiting the practice of child marriage, co-author. RA number 11591, fixing the last day of registration of voters for the 2022 elections, author and co-sponsor. RA number 11535, Cooperatives Development Officer Act, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 11533, reappointing the 2nd Legislative District of Rizal, co-sponsor. RA number 11525, COVID-19 Vaccination Program Act of 2021, co-author. RA number 11524, Coconut Farmers and Industry Trust Fund Act, principal author. RA number 11511, amending Republic Act number 168 or the Organic Agriculture Act of 2010. Siya po ang principal author and co-sponsor. RA number 11510, Alternative Learning System Act, co-author. RA number 11505, Franchise of Metro Manila Third Clock Incorporated, co-sponsor. RA number 11502, National Cooperative Month, co-author. RA number 11483, Converting the Santa Ignacia Gimba Provincial Road Interlock and Nueva Ecija International Road, co-sponsor. RA number 11478, increasing the bed capacity of the Bicol Medical Center principal author and co-sponsor. RA number 11476, GMRC, and Values Education Act, co-author and co-sponsor. RA number 11471, Creating Barangay H2 in Dasmariñas, Cavite, co-sponsor. RA number 11464, Extending the availability of the 2019 appropriations. So muli po, meron pong 291 enacted into laws as of July 30, 2022 bago po siya tumakbo sa pagka-vice presidente. Marami na po akong sinabi na batas at baka maganap pa kayo ng resibo. Alamin nyo na lang sa internet. Internet, Google, search nyo kung ano yung mga resibo ng bawat kandidato. At lalo tigit, former Senator Kiko Pangilinan.